when new and clean.
Yeah, I know. Where do I pay for this?
I'm one of them.
Yeah, that's just about the other weekend. Alright, next time we come away, you're going to have to get a couple of nice vests. Not like chatty ones.
Not like cheapy ones.
No. Like just plain open ones under your arms and that. I said you get some vests. When we go to Paphos next year.
Oh, there's a Roman thing that they're doing.
Oh, huh.
The tombs.
It's so weird, isn't it? I think it's so fascinating.
Roman things are.
Right. So this is where they found the remains of St. Barnabas. So can you see the tomb?
Probably.
Yeah, she does, but I think it's good and you can understand her.
Nod your head when you go downstairs. Nod your head when you
Right.
go downstairs. Oh, how hot is it here?
Bloody hell.
Oh, down here.
Down there. Good deal.
Watch your head down.
There's a ghost down here or something. Kind of stinks as well.
Oh.
What's that? House? I'm gonna have to take my glasses off, I can't bloody see. That must be him now.
Oh, God, weird. I know, should have lit one for our parents.
That's the thing. Dad, that's called the King George Motel up there.
Hit that once, now she coming right back. She said the X team never did it like that. Man, back, chat, I'm a chat, but he ain't like that. Put hands on three, bag, I'm a try that. Only got one like when you come